Whisper, the original. I gotta listen again to get the good part. Audio isolation tool that's been ruining my podcast listening experience since 2018. So, they're telling me this new tool is like a superhero for audio isolation, but let's get real, Whisper has been doing that job since like 2015, and it's only now that we've got some fancy AI friends joining the party to help it level up. ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Whisper, basically just giving old Whisper a midlife crisis and saying, hey, buddy, let's get AI powered. But seriously, these new tools are promising to revolutionize how we take audio content like podcasts, lectures, or even, audiobooks and transform it into written blog posts. And I'm thinking, what if this is actually the future of podcasting? You know, where you can just sit back, let the words wash over you, and then bam, some AI-powered writer converts that audio magic into a beautifully formatted blog post. But hold up, have we thought about the dark side here? The algorithmic echo chamber created by this new technology. Where's the soul in that? I mean, what if we lose the essence of human connection and nuance in favor of some fancy AI script writing machine? Now, before you start throwing pitchforks at me for being a Luddite, let me tell you why this is actually kind of cool. It means that people can still access information on the go without having to listen to a whole podcast. It's like having the best of both worlds. Although I guess we'll have to get used to reading about our favorite podcasters' personalities in a blog post, because let's be real, sometimes you just want to hear their voice, and laugh at their dad jokes. This is like if Siri tried to write a novel. Yeah, it's a little interesting. But hey, who knows? Maybe we'll discover the next great literary AI collaboration. After all, as that wise philosopher once said, the future is written by machines.